The perfect proper preparation for a Brazilian wax starts with gentle exfoliation 24 hours before your appointment to remove dead skin cells and allow the wax to grip hair more effectively. Hydration is key. Keep your skin hydrated by drinking plenty of water and using a lightweight moisturizer to make waxing easier and less painful. Choose the right wax. Hard wax is better for sensitive areas as it adheres to hair, not skin, reducing irritation during removal. Post-wax aloe vera. Applying aloe vera gel immediately after waxing helps soothe redness and calm inflammation for a smooth recovery. Invest in ingrown hair serums. Use serums with salicylic acid or tea tree oil to prevent and treat ingrown hairs while keeping skin smooth. Avoid heat exposure. Steer clear of hot showers, saunas, or the gym for 24 to 48 hours after waxing to minimize irritation and swelling. Say no to tight clothing. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics post-wax to prevent friction and promote healing. Exfoliation for maintenance. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week with a gentle scrub or exfoliating mitt to keep the wax area free from dead skin buildup and ingrown hairs. The power of oils. Use lightweight oils like jojoba or coconut oil to hydrate and maintain the skin softness or reducing dryness. SPF for sensitive skin. Apply sunscreen to the waxed area if it's exposed to the sun to avoid hyperpigmentation. The role of probiotics. Incorporate probiotics into your diet to improve skin health and reduce the risk of irritation or infections after waxing. Add a cooling mask. Use cooling masks with cucumber or chamomile post-wax to rejuvenate and refresh the skin. Stay consistent. Schedule waxes every 4 to 6 weeks to weaken hair follicles over time, resulting in finer and sparser regrowth. Skincare doesn't stop there. Complement your waxing routine with regular body treatments like chemical peels for even skin texture. Focus on pH balance. Use gentle, pH-balanced cleansers to prevent irritation in the waxed area and maintain healthy skin. Vitamin C boost. Incorporate vitamin C serums or lotions to brighten the skin and reduce discoloration in waxed areas. Embrace dry brushing. Dry brushing helps stimulate lymphatic drainage and exfoliate skin. Perfect for pre and post-wax care. Avoid retinoids. Refrain from using retinol-based products on the waxed area for at least a week before and after waxing to prevent sensitivity. Tackle hyperpigmentation. Use natural brighteners like niacinamide or licorice root to treat any discoloration from waxing. Hydrocolloid patches for bumps. Apply hydrocolloid patches to small, irritated bumps post-wax for quick healing and reduced redness. Know when to seek help. If you experience persistent irritation or infections, consult a dermatologist for tailored skincare advice. Pair waxing with self-care. Make waxing part of a larger self-care routine, pairing it with body massages or aromatherapy for complete relaxation and skin wellness. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.